Where to use a tower for welding? That is mostly for the signal tower and the transmission tower industry. And here you can see the tower foot is normally welding for the very thick plate, and there will be multi-layer welding. So such a welding condition that it will generate a lot of heat. And for human beings, when working in such a high heat and high strength working, that will be very difficult to do. Because of the human instability, we cannot promise a stable production on the quality and the quantity. So in this case, a powerful welding solution will be necessary to promise your work. This is a touch screen and integrated all the database for the powerful welding. And it is very easy to operate because it doesn't matter what size you are going to weld. You can directly touch and set up the value.